Oil and natural gas both displayed a little bullishness today, and oil got the resistance at 82 levels, while natural gas again has got the resistance at 2.6 to 63 levels. So now what to expect with the year's session from crude oil and natural gas, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into oil, followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Your every like is a great support and motivation for me, and do press the share, subscribe, and comment, friends. This is also a great support for me. And those who are new must press the bell icon to in order to keep yourself updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day, and also you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at crude on the hourly charts first. Now see, crude on the hourly charts is still giving you higher highs, higher lows. It has to break below this zone, which is right now situated at around 81.4 levels. So if you see it trading below 81.4, you can sell here, expect 81, 80.4 and 80 levels there. A selling entry can be made at around 81.4 levels. If you see it trading below these levels, then and then only. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit. The MACD has taken a crossover for a sell entry here. Now, this crossover is happening at a slightly higher level, so possibly this could bring the prices a little down. RSI is also looking down now. Coming to 2 hour. Now see, oil on the 2 hour charts, higher lows, higher highs are seen. It is trading in this bullish channel, and hence we have to wait for it to break past either sides of this channel in order to confirm a trade. Hence below 81.4 you can still expect 81 levels as a great support, and then further lower levels can be expected. You can also note that it is almost formed a symmetry. This drop is nullified by this rise here, and also lower highs are seen, lower highs, lower lows are seen here. So it is trying to trade in a sideways bearish channel right now, and hence a sell entry at 81.4 can be taken. The stochastic retracing here, rising here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit, though it has still got the bullishness. RSI is flat, almost near to tap. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, likewise higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. This is forming a bullish flag. Hence 82, 82.4. Now we have always discussed that 81.8, 82.4 levels are a great resistance zone for oil here. Any movement above 82.4, 82.5, you should take this as a bullish breakout, and we are going to look at 83.5, 84 levels. This is also equally possible. So now see what has happened here. See, after this drop, it has seen a little rise here and waiting to break past by 82.5 levels in order to confirm the rise. Now also if you look at 3 hour chart, see double bottom is done. Now it is trying to rise. So possibly if it stays above 82, you can buy again, but then be careful till 82.4. It can reverse again any point of time. A sell entry at 81.4 can be taken. However, with the support at 81, it is a very good support, and then 80.5 levels will be. Stochastic slightly overbought. It is trying to cool down. The MACD is in green, trading with bullish bias. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hour chart. Now on the 4 hour charts, you can see base is created. Previous candle has a long wick on the upside and a very small body, and this candle trying to go green. Now see, even if it tries to rise, it can achieve the higher highs level here, and hence 82, 82.1 levels, 82.2 levels are going to be good resistance. This is also the double top of the near term charts here, and at the same time you can see the base is created, higher lows are seen, and hence if it trades below 81.4, that is the point below which you should sell for 81, 80.8 and 80.5 level. A stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is almost trading flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, higher highs are done here, and if you look at, lower lows are seen in the previous two candles. And if you look at the 20 period moving average, is now a little bit far away. It has tried to attempt and achieve these levels once before looking upwards. Now possibly see 82 levels are giving it a very good resistance, and then 82.2 we have already, there are resistances still towards those levels. So as we discussed, in between 81.8, 81.2.4 levels, let's be very cautious. If you are taking a buying entry at 82, you have to be watchful till 82.4 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We are going to look at 83.5, 84 levels also. Be careful. Beyond 82.5 or 82.5 levels, we are going to look at 83.5, 84 levels today itself. At the same time, on the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 81.4 levels, below 81.4 till 81, very good support. Then 80.5 and 80 levels will be seen. Below that, bears will take over and we can see a further drop. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details on same. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Now look at natural gas on the hourly chart. See 2.6, 2.62 zone provided a good resistance. We can see it forming a perfect garland here, necklace here, and then reversing. Now see these two candles are almost symmetrical, and if you look at this candle and this candle is almost symmetrical here. So possibly once it drops below, so what it is trying to do, it is trying to give you higher lows, higher highs here, and see the highs, the delta is suddenly changed. So this suggests that the bullishness getting diminished here and the possibility of a drop increases, and hence I will recommend you to sell only and only if you see it trading 2.5756 level, the levels we discussed earlier in the day today. These levels are certainly a good support levels. So if you are selling at 2.57, expect 2.54, 2.5 as the maximum support levels, and below that a little more drop can be expected. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is crossed over for a sell. It is trying to trade with little divergence. RSI has dropped, now trying to reverse again. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you similar observation on the 2-hour chart, see the moving averages have started to look upwards. This is a bullish sign. The price is taking the support from the moving average. It is now trying to reverse again, and hence buying entry about 2.62 can be taken. See, it is also higher lows, higher highs. So I'll wait for 2.6, 2.6 to 2.65 levels to be breached in order to confirm the rise here. Stochastic looking down here, the MACD is in green trying to converge a bit. RSI is also rising here. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, it is forming a very good flag here. You can see this. This is a bullish flag here. On the upside, the sky is open. Once it stays beyond 2.6, 2.63 zone, certainly we can expect it to hit 2.66, 2.7 and 2.76 levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in, while RSI is almost trading flat with a slight bullish bias. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour chart, see the previous three candles, lower highs, lower lows. At the same time, you can see these three candles, higher highs are also seen. Hence, once you see it trading about 2.6, you can buy for 2.63 and then 2.66 levels. So buy at 2.6 levels. Once the selling price is above 2.6, that is the spread you have to exclude, and once this is beyond spread price, that is the selling price is above 2.6, you can buy here. Expect 2.63, 2.66 levels as the next target, and beyond that we may see 2.7 also. But at the same time, remember, we are seeing this push on the top side. The price is not willing to stay bullish, and the previous was the red candle, and hence do not forget to sell it at 2.57. Once you sell it to 2.57, expect 2.545, 2.5 levels is a very good support. In fact, it can drop below 2.5 also. So sell at 2.57. That is a good strategy for the day. Here also the stochastic is slightly overbought. It has cooled down. The MACD is divergent and bullish while RSI is flat. Coming to the, now let's have a look at the daily charts also. On the daily, see what these three candles have done. Higher highs are done. Higher lows are now pending. If it has to swing, it has to drop below this zone, and higher lows means 2.5152 levels can be expected. And hence, if you see it trading at 2.57, you have to sell here and expect a drop there. So below 2.57, more bearishness may take it for 2.54, 2.5 levels as the next stronger support there. Till 2.5, it has got very good support. You have to put your stop losses there. On the upside, you can see the 50 and 100 period moving averages are now one over other, giving mixed signal, while 100 period is far above. Hence, if you buy at 2.6 here, you have to wait for it to break past 2.63, very good resistance, and 2.66, only about 2.66 further bullishness may be seen there. Stochastic rising, MACD is extremely bearish trying to converge, RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy natural gas today at 2.6 levels, but be careful 2.63 or 2.66 levels. Only if these two levels are taken, you can consider that natural gas is trying to trade bullish for 2.7, 2.76 level. In fact, it can rise beyond those levels also. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2.57. Do not miss this. Sell at 2.57. You can definitely expect 2.54, 2.551 zone, and this is a great support zone. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Do join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is starting on 7th of August. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description again. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.